Top 5 reasons to choose Alibaba Qwen2.5-Max over other AI platforms. 1. Lightning-fast performance. While ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot may slow down with complex queries, Qwen2.5-Max delivers instant results, handling heavy workloads in real time without lag. 2. Smarter AI and advanced decision-making. Unlike ChatGPT and DeepSeek, which rely on predefined responses, Qwen2.5-Max analyzes, predicts, and adapts using real-world data, offering deeper insights and superior problem-solving. 3. Tailored industry-specific solutions. While Gemini and Copilot cater to general AI needs, Qwen2.5-Max provides customized AI solutions for finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and logistics, seamlessly integrating with enterprise operations. 4. Real-time data processing and automation. DeepSeek and ChatGPT depend on static datasets, but Qwen2.5-Max processes live data in real time, making it perfect for smart cities, IoT, and automated industries. 5. Enterprise-grade security and future-proof innovation. Unlike ChatGPT and DeepSeek, which may lack enterprise-level security, Qwen2.5-Max offers top-tier encryption and continuous AI advancements, keeping your data safe and your business ahead. For unmatched speed, intelligence, real-time data handling, industry adaptability, and security, Qwen2.5-Max outshines ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, and Copilot, making it the ultimate AI choice. Upgrade to Qwen2.5-Max today.